Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your desktop is online through Ethernet or a cellular modem, and that the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. Open network settings now because you'll need access to the adapter controls. Choose a clear SSID and a strong password. This prevents unauthorized access and keeps throughput stable. Once done, select WPA2 or WPA3 security. Those protect data without breaking device compatibility. Now move to the system controls to configure sharing and the virtual network. Now you create the virtual access point using your operating system or host app on Linux. On Windows, open Mobile Hotspot and select the source connection. On Mac OS, enable internet sharing and choose Wi-Fi. For Linux, configure hostapp and dnsmask that handles authentication and DHCP. Set the band, choose 4 GHz for better range, 5 GHz for higher throughput if supported. Configure the DHCP IP range and client limits so devices get addresses correctly and network performance stays predictable. Finish by connecting a single device and verifying connectivity. Open a web page, run a ping to a reliable IP, and check transfer speed. If it fails, make sure the internet source is active and the Wi-Fi adapter is bound to the hotspot service. Firewalls can block NAT or DHCP, so inspect rules and allow sharing. Once you make changes, restart the hotspot service or reboot the desktop to clear stale state. If problems persist, update drivers and reconfigure hotspot settings. This resolves most setup issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.